See, my name is Akshat Sharma and I belong to Master Blend Industries. And we are into the business since 40 plus years now. And we are the third party private labelers and serving across India and soon expanding to exports. CMPL is basically a very great platform for companies like us who needs to grow worldwide and overseas. And yeah, it is a great facility for companies like us so that we can grow, have a good customer bank, and expand accordingly. If you are a very particular about if you are very particular about your business, everything excites you. It's not like any part is exciting you, but definitely things like interacting with new clients, all the new opportunities that we get, a variety of people under one roof. We can have it's not just about our business but also sourcing multiple things. So that is one of a great highlight effect, I could say, according to this exhibition. The best part about this is like it is grounded, made in India. Desh ki mitti se bana leaves hain. That is, we are exporting worldwide, making our country proud. And other than that, just growing globally is itself a great pleasure, and it makes a good growth altogether for the country, for our company, all our employees. We are the regular participators in CMPL. It always gives us great exposure to all the market, all the current trends, and all the new innovations and varieties that we have. So it is altogether. If we talk about this specific exhibition version, this time we have experienced some great innovative products that is founded, not even in the just in our category, but also in terms of, like, for example, packaging, where we have found many packagers who have been giving us very innovative ideas that we can use in our product. So yeah, that is a good thing that we have grabbed from this exhibition. It is an holistic platform.